Hussey Seating Company is proud to be a seventh-generation family-owned company and the world leader in designing and manufacturing seating solutions for sports, entertainment, and education venues around the world. As innovators since 1835, Hussey Seating Company has transformed from its modest roots in steel fabrication to a global powerhouse and the most trusted partner in the seating industry.
Hussey Seating Company designs, engineers, and manufactures multiple types of seating solutions right here in Maine for all sorts of venues. Chances are good that you've sat in one of the millions of Hussey seats nationwide in a professional sports stadium like Gillette Stadium, home of the New England Patriots, or an arena such as the United Center, home of the Chicago Bulls and the Chicago Blackhawks, or one of the thousands of convention centers, casinos, gymnasiums, or auditoriums around the world. One of the unique things about working at Hussey Seating Company is the family atmosphere. Our people philosophy stems from our core value that we are a family business in it for the long run. You can clearly see this throughout the organization, from our family-friendly benefits to our focus on respect and teamwork. And these are just a few of the reasons that have led to a tradition of long-tenured employees.
A core part of the business is our team of dedicated employees who work in our manufacturing operations. In collaboration with our highly skilled engineering teams, our manufacturing team creates each part to meet the specifications of the customer's needs with a high standard of quality that Hussey Seating has become known for. We have over 150 manufacturing team members working in the areas of process engineering, maintenance, welding, coating, assembly, shipping, and warehouse.
Our team takes pride that their influences extend well beyond their immediate community. While our design, production, and distribution operations are rooted in Maine, we watch our hard work come to life at the top sports and entertainment venues around the world. As a comprehensive solutions provider, we relentlessly strive to maintain our industry leadership. Our commitment to investing in our people, products, and technology has been unwavering since 1835, and we show no signs of slowing down.
Hussey Seating is committed to the ongoing development of our employees. We are a learning organization and we are dedicated to creating long-term employees. We have developed our own internal learning system, Hussey University, which is the first step in each employee's personalized development plan. Employees can participate in a variety of learning paths, including everything from leadership development to an internal welding certification and multiple apprenticeship programs. Learning and development supports our core values, and we believe it's critical to maintaining and expanding the world-class workforce that we have at Hussey today. If you have a thirst for learning, are detail-oriented, and likes to see your work come alive, Hussey Seating may be perfect for you. We have multiple shifts available, offer competitive pay rates and a shift differential, family-friendly benefits, and opportunities for growth and development. We invite you to learn more. Come join our team.